Top 10 popular ways to earn money online. Number 1, freelancing. Offer your skills and services to clients online. Examples: writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants. Websites: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal. Number 2, e-commerce. Sell physical or digital products online. Examples: handmade crafts, clothing, ebooks, software. Websites: Shopify, Etsy, Amazon FBA, WooCommerce. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or referral. Examples: Amazon products, online courses, software subscriptions. Websites: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, ShareASale. Number 4, online tutoring or coaching. Teach others online in various subjects or areas of expertise. Examples: language tutoring, academic tutoring, fitness coaching. Websites: VIPKid, Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare. Number 5, content creation and monetization. Create and monetize content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Examples: educational videos, vlogs, gaming streams. Websites: YouTube Partner Program, TikTok, Creator Fund. Number 6, dropshipping. Set up an online store and fulfill orders by partnering with suppliers. Examples: fashion accessories, home decor, gadgets. Websites: Shopify, Oberlo, AliExpress. Number 7, stock trading or investing. Buy and sell stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments. Examples: day trading, long-term investing. Websites: E*, Trade, TD Ameritrade, Robinhood. Number 8, online surveys and microtasks. Complete surveys or small tasks for companies. Examples: answering surveys, data entry, website testing. Websites: Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Number 9, online writing and blogging. Create written content for websites or start your own blog. Examples: guest blogging, content writing, niche blogging. Websites: Medium, HubPages, WordPress. Number 10, social media management. Manage social media accounts and campaigns for businesses. Examples: content creation, scheduling posts, engagement. Websites: Hootsuite, Buffer, Sprout Social. Remember, these are just a few examples, and there are many more ways to earn money online. Choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Be prepared to put in consistent effort and adapt your strategies to succeed in your chosen online earning method. Top 10 popular ways to earn money online.